Hi, I'm Scott from SuperPro. I just want to talk to you about some new releases we have at the moment. We have to augment our Alloy 0090K, which is our performance upgrade BMW arm kit for the E91 and 3 series. We have our standard replacements. We have a lower control arm kit, left and right hand arm, complete with hybrid bushing on the inner position, uprated ball joint. That one's TRC0090. We also have TRC0091, which is the caster arm kit. Polyurethane SuperPro Bushings, uprated ball joint, left and right arm, sold as a pair. Both kits sold as a pair. Always recommend that if you're going to do one side of the car, you should also do the other side. So look out for those now. Caster arms, TRC0091, and lower control arms, TRC0090.